What's up, everybody? It's Alex of Prestige Worldwide Cards, pwwcards.com. We are here with a 10-box football mixer of some 2021 football product. We've got, on the absolute side, a mega box with one autograph and one memorabilia card on average, mega box, and 4 blasters. And then we've got a mega box of Prizm with one auto or memorabilia card and 4 more blasters of Prizm. So, all 2021 product. So, all the big hits we're looking for. Blanking out on who's in this product, who's this year. But, anyways, we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Good luck to everybody. We hope you enjoy the break. Thanks for getting on this break with us. Let's start with some Absolute. Let's do some Absolute. Where'd my thing go? Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. I was going to have to bust out the steak knife. I used to run steak knife breaks back in the day. I didn't have a fancy cutter, so I just raided the pantry. Now we got a high-class operation with one of these bad boys. Whoo-wee! All right. So all the rookie cards. So I guess the rookies here: Joseph Osai, Tutu Atwell, and Cornell Powell. Elijah Vera Tucker, Elijah. Levi Onwuzurike, Seth Williams, Javonte Williams, a green Dak Prescott, Michael Carter, Frank Darby, Caleb Farley, Rashad Bateman, some base, Zach Wilson, Jeremiah Owusu, something, Daz Newsome, Simi Fehoko, and a green of Caleb Farley for the Titans, Julio Jones, Tom Brady when he was still playing football back a long time ago, Greg Newsome, Christian Barmore, Elijah Moore. Here's a by Storm Trevor Lawrence rookie. I guess this is the Trevor Lawrence rookie year. I was thinking it was 2020, but that's Joe Burrow and all them. So, yeah, 2021 Trevor Lawrence is the big guy. Brevin Jordan, Anthony Schwartz, Shi Smith, Patrick Surtain. So this is Trevor Lawrence. Sleeve it up. And there's a Trevor Lawrence rookie. Cornell Powell, Elijah Vera Tucker, Ezekiel Elliott insert, and some more base cards. Last pack of blaster number 1. Levi, Javonte Williams, Seth Williams, Michael Carter. There's a stargazing of Aaron Rodgers. These cards at. Let's go ahead and do another one of those. Eric Stokes, Kene Kawansu, Jared Dokes, Jason Sanders. All right. J.C. Horn, Jamar Chase, nice. Chaz Surratt, Kyle Trask, Jamar Chase for the Bengals. That's a nice one. Cincinnati, who had them? Michael L. There you go. Jamin Davis. Jalen Darden. Azeez Ojulari. Davis Mills. Pat Freiermuth. Gary Brightwell, Eamon Ross St. Brown, nice one there too. Michael Strahan, Frank Darby. Just going to put some of the nice, bigger, set the nicer rookies aside. I mean, they're all going out, but I'm just, sleeving up the nicer ones, You know what I'm doing. Elijah Molden, Kyle Pitts, Dwayne Eskridge, going out to the Seattle Seahawks, rookie materials. Who had Seattle? Robert B. Nope, that's the wrong sheet. I'm calling out the wrong names again. God dang it. Sorry about that. That Cincinnati name earlier was Joshua S. And this is William M. Sorry about that. By Storm, Javonte Williams. Micah Parsons, Rondale Moore, Hunter Long. Dez Fitzpatrick, Jalen Camp, Sean Wade, Trey Lance. Stargazing Joe Burrow. I'm going to go ahead and finish off these absolute blasters. Chris Evans, Ian Book, Peyton Turner, Patrick Jones, Jared Dokes Green. Asante Samuel, Ramondre Stevenson, and a Tutu Atwell rookie force jersey going out to the Los Angeles Rams. That would be JPH. Ernest Jones, Tyson Campbell, Jalen Waddle, and Quincy Roche. Kellen Mond, Sam Ellinger, Tylan Wallace, Stargazing Chase Young. Penei Sewell, Dwayne Eskridge, Eric Stokes, Kene Nwangwu. Jared Dokes, J.C. Horn, Jamar Chase again, Kellen Mond, Chaz Surratt, Kyle Trask, Jamin Davis, Jalen Darden. Azeez Ojulari, Pat Freiermuth, Gary Brightwell, Rondale Moore. Kellen Mond, Sam Ellinger, Tylan Wallace, Penei Sewell, Kyle Trask Green. Yet another jersey card. Eric Stokes, Dwayne Eskridge, and this is going to Juju Smith-Schuster. Absolute burners going out to the Steelers. Pittsburgh Steelers, Judd B. There you go. By storm, Ian Book. Kene Nwangwu, Jared Dokes, J.C. Horn, and then another Jamar Chase. It's 3 of them now. It's cool. Chaz Surratt, Kyle Trask, Jamin Davis, Juju Smith-Schuster. Jalen Darden, Aziz Ojulari, Pat Freiermuth, Gary Brightwell, same guys over and over and over again. Amon Ra, nice. Elijah Molden, Joshua Sanders. Oops. Kyle Pitts, Nick Bolton, Terrence Marshall, Kelvin Joseph. Marquez Stevenson, Micah Parsons, Rondale Moore, Davis Mills. All right, let's do this Mega. '21 NFL trading cards. Just 4 packs. Not very mega, if you ask me. All right, Javon Holland, Davis Mills, Chris Evans, Ian Book, Cornell Powell red. So I guess the red exclusive is what you're looking for in this one. Plus potentially an auto. Peyton Turner, Patrick Jones, Asante Samuel, and an autograph. Tyson Campbell going out to the Jaguars. Jacksonville Jaguars. Mike W. gets a Tyson Campbell autograph. Rookie auto. Nice. A Mike Evans red. Ramondre Stevenson, Ernest Jones, Tyson Campbell, there he is again, Jalen Waddle, and a red Drew Lock. Also a red Elijah Vera Turner. Quincy Roche, Kellen Mond, Sam Ellinger, and a Dez Fitzpatrick rookie materials for the Titans. JPH. Jalen Hurts red. Justin Fields by storm. All right, there's that Mega. Let's do some Prizm. 2 Blaster exclusive rookie disco Prizms. Cool. And it is a Billy Sims. So that's not numbered, but that's the orange. Billy Sims for the Detroit Lions. CeeDee Lamb. Nashawn Wright for the Cowboys. Nashawn Wright. Cowboys Michael B. Those are not numbered, but they're exclusive or whatever. Juju Smith-Schuster for the Steelers. A silver of Chris Carson for the Seattle Seahawks. Brandon Ayuk. Hype. Rondale Moore. There's a J.C. Horn rookie parallel prism for the Carolina Panthers. Jeremy Chin, Brandon Ayuk, Logan Thomas, and there's a Mark Brunell. DeAndre Swift and Plaxico Burress for the Giants. Silver of Marcus Peters for the Ravens. Fireworks, Kyle Pitts. Jake Funk and an Amon-Ra St. Brown parallel. Nice for the Lions. Steve T. There you go. Come on. Brandon Cooks. Not to 99, but can get that lucky. Mac Jones and a Devin Singletary. This one should be a rookie then, since you're guaranteed at least 2. Hunter Long for the Dolphins. All right, 2 blasters left. Go ahead and do this. Just take it. Mac Jones, not bad for the Patriots. Eric B. Landon Collins and an Elijah Mitchell base. Buddha Baker. Like Buddha. Sean Watson, Najee Harris, and a Jake Funk for the Rams. Here's a silver of Jordan Brooks for the Seahawks. And an Alvin Kamara. Brilliance. Sam Darnold. Fred Warner, Jalen Reagor, and a DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. Khalil Mack, Jake Funk, and a Ramondre Stevenson for the Patriots. Silver of J.J. Smith-Schuster for the Steelers. Fireworks, Kyle Pitts. Montez Sweat, Elijah Moore, and a Deontay Johnson. Jalen Camp, for the Jaguars. Jaguars are doing well. Chaz Surratt and a Rich Gannon. All right, last box of the break is the Mega Prizm. Prizm Mega Box. And we're getting 1 auto memorabilia plus 3 silver prisms and Mega Box exclusive pink prisms. So pinks, 3 silvers, and at least 1 auto or memorabilia. Khalil Herbert, Mac Jones Emergent. Ian Book Pink Prism. Nice. New Orleans Saints. Joe A. Congratulations. CeeDee Lamb Pink. Jeff Okudah Silver for the Lions. We got a jersey card in here, I think. There's an Ambry Thomas, rather. And a Davis Mills Premier Rookie Jersey and a Quentin Nelson Silver. Davis Mills Premier Pink. I don't think the pink means anything. I think it's just the parallel. It's not numbered, but that's going to go to the Houston Texans. That's JPH. There you go. And a Quentin Nelson Silver. Oh, we got points. 400 points. So we'll randomize that among all teams. Wow, they're still doing the points. Ben Skoranek, pink, going out to the Rams. So that points replace the auto, I think. Wow. Jabril Cox, Nick Bosa, pink. If there was, going to be an auto, but I guess there wasn't. Chuba Hubbard, Mike Evans, silver. Last pack. Patrick Mahomes II. Never heard of him. Pink Prism. All right, let's do these points. All right, first we're going to randomize. Now, how many times we're going to randomize? The only thing we don't take is Snake Eyes. If it's Snake Eyes, it defaults to 3. So it's 7 times on the randomizer. We got all teams in on this, and this is to, of course, win the 400 points. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The Pittsburgh Steelers. Pittsburgh gets the points. Thanks, everybody. We'll get everything packed up and shipped out to you soon. Thanks.